Extreme weight loss drink for women. 3 healthy weight loss recipes for women. Losing weight does not have to be such a struggle. Through proper juicing and moderate exercises, losing weight can be easy and rejuvenating. The proper way to integrate juicing into your life is to have a glass of juice a day, every day, without overdoing it. Bear in mind that juicing exclusively is not healthy and can mean that you will not feel full and may also be missing fats, proteins, and essential nutrients that are only available in other foods. Eating liquid foods is indeed the best way to go regarding rapid weight loss. However, it is not a healthy long-term solution. Here are the 3 drink recipes that you should combine with healthy diets and moderate exercises for long-term extreme weight loss. 1. Green Machine. This recipe consists of a juice of cucumber, kale, celery, and wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is an awesome superfood, among the very best. The drink will give you all the nutrients you require for effective weight loss. As a rule of thumb, the greener the better. And if you stick to greens, you won't go too far off track. Here is how. 1 full cup of sliced cucumber, half a cup of kale, half a cup of celery, 1/4 cup fresh wheatgrass or 1/4 teaspoon wheatgrass powder, half a cup of cold filtered water. 2. The simple smoothie. This is a personal favorite among many. It consists of coconut water, cacao powder, and banana. Simple, filling, nutritious, alkalizing, and delicious. One of the best tasting smoothies around. Add in some frozen berries for added antioxidants and a more all-encompassing taste. The simple smoothie is easy to make. 1 banana, 3 heaped tablespoons of cacao powder, 500 milliliters of coconut water, a handful of frozen berries such as strawberries, blueberries, acai, optional. 3. Yogic Detox. This recipe is a yogic tea. It consists of cardamom, ginger, clove, and cinnamon. It has its roots in the ancient Ayurveda tradition. It will put you in a calm and meditative mind frame, and it will also assist in weight loss, as it is a potent detoxification combo. The following tea serves 4 people. First, bring 4 cups of water to the boil in a pot. Then add 3 cinnamon sticks, 2 tablespoons of cardamom seed, 2 whole cloves, 2 inches of fresh sliced ginger. Leave to simmer for 10 minutes and serve hot or cold. Add almond milk and a natural sweetener for the taste. Weight loss tips. To lose weight, you must consume less calories than you burn. The conclusion of a systematic review published in 2007 in the Journal of the American Diet Association stated that reduced energy diets in conjunction with exercise resulted in moderate weight loss across the board. Liquid foods, teas, and salads are the best way to do this. But the key to a successful weight loss regime is always going to be balance. If you overdo it, you will find that it is simply not sustainable and that you are undernourished. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.